Morning, everybody. This is Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so yesterday there was a dip down to 1392, which was a fib level that a lot of people were looking at. That got bought. We made it as high as 1404 during the session yesterday. The bulls were not able to go up and take out that 1308 high, and we traded as high as 1305.75 in the overnight. And we did bounce early off of the daily pivot down to 1398.92, and the current trade is 1403 half. So what am I looking at today? If you're a bull, you want to take out that 1408 high, because if you do, I think a lot of the shorter term bears that are starting to get back in the pool are going to get scared right out of their positions again, and you could see things run up towards 1415, 1424, 1434. If you're a bear, you need that 1408 to stay right where it is, which is up above, and you need to keep making progress. And by not having new highs yesterday in the bearish camp in this kind of a market, that's considered progress. But you've got to make it back down to the 92s. You've got to close below those 92s and then start working on levels like 1388, 1382, and 1377. So as far as a lean right now, I think right now things are pretty neutral. We're 5 handles off the highs, and we are about 10 handles off of yesterday's lows. So relatively speaking, it could break in either direction. So I'm going to wait and see how it opens up, and we'll go from there. But watch the daily and 3-day pivot today. There's a zone down there from 1399.92 to 1398.92. If there's a dip to be bought today, that's a likely area where you'll find it. And if we're going to crack, that area should be resistance up above. So let's do support and resistance. Current trade is 1403. On the upside, 1408, 1410, 1416, and 1424. Underneath, you've got the resistance zone from 1400 to 1399, 1392, 1389.66. 1384 quarter, which is your 9-day pivot, 1382.17, which is your 20-day pivot, and then that 1377 level. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. Use some stops and be hedged. It seems really easy to be long this market, and it's just too easy to be long this market. So be hedged. Don't just be completely all in long. I would never tell anybody to be all in long or all in short. But I have a feeling that there are people out there that are just long and sitting back and relaxing. And just about the time that chair gets really nice and comfortable and easy for you is when it gets yanked out and your backside hits the floor. So be careful. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.